Welcome to the Elyria Public Library YouTube channel. My name is Miss Nicole and I'm a children's librarian at the Central Branch. Today we're going to be doing a STEAM challenge. Now STEAM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, Arts, and Mathematics. And today we're going to be creating an escape for Rapunzel. Now this is going to be a two-part challenge. The first is going to be able to create a tower for Rapunzel. You remember this story, right? Really long hair, really high tower that she lives in. If she wants to escape, how are we going to get her down? So for the first part of the challenge, we're going to create a tower for Rapunzel to live in. Now I've just used a plain old paper towel roll and I've decorated it. You can decorate yours any way that you choose. So now that we have our tower, the first thing that we need to do is ask, what problem are we trying to solve? We need to get Rapunzel from the top of the tower down to the ground. So the next thing we're going to do is imagine. We're going to take a look at all of the supplies that we have available. And we're going to see what we can use to let Rapunzel down to the tower. I have some rubber bands. What would happen if I cut one? Maybe we could create a bungee cord for her. She might not be able to get down though. She might just spring right back up again. What kinds of things could we build? We could try a ladder, slide, a zip line even. The only thing we need to make sure of is that Rapunzel can get down to the ground quickly but safely, and that our tower is sturdy and will stay upright as Rapunzel slides down. Then we plan. So I've got my rubber band. I wonder if I attach it at the top and I attach it to the ground, if I can get Rapunzel down. It doesn't really seem like it worked. But most of what science is trying again and again and again until it works. And the next thing we're going to do is improve. What kinds of things could you do that could make my invention better? So send us a link or a photograph on our library's Facebook page and tell us how you would help Rapunzel get down from her tower.